Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing only what you need now: a Node project, Express, Passport, and the Oauth 2 strategy. Register your app with the provider to obtain a client ID and client secret, then set a callback or redirect URI. Once done, place those values into environment variables using dotenv. This keeps secrets out of source control. Configure your Express server entry file and require Passport. Then instantiate the Oauth 2 strategy with client credentials, callback URL, and a simple verify function to receive tokens. Now implement the authentication flow step by step. Configure Passport. Use with your Oauth 2 strategy, providing a verify callback that accepts access token, refresh token, and profile, persist or map tokens to a user. Next, add an /auth route that calls Passport. Authenticate to redirect the user to the provider. Then add /auth/callback to handle the provider response and call Passport. Authenticate again to finalize. Make sure to serialize and deserialize the user for session support, or return a JWT if you prefer stateless sessions. To finish, test the complete sign-in. Start your server, hit /auth and follow the provider redirects. Confirm you receive an access token and user profile. Once validated, persist tokens and implement refresh logic if the provider supports it, and always include state to mitigate CSRF. If something goes wrong, first check the redirect URI exactly matches the provider settings, verify environment variable names and values, and review provider app permissions. Most issues are misconfigured callback URLs or secret typos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.